Joshua, what are you doing? What did you do? What did you make?
Cake for everyone to eat.
Everyone? Who's going to eat it?
The one. That's my cake.
For what?
For me.
For you? Wow.
The cake, that's for Mikey.
Yeah?
When he woke up.
When he wakes up, you have cake ready for him?
And that's your cake with a red candle on it.
Wow, thank you. Anybody else?
And Daddy. And Daddy when he comes back.
Oh,
To work.
that's right. Wow.
And that's Gimpy's red cake with your candle.
Oh, one for Gimpy too?
Yeah. We both have these reds.
Does anybody else get cake?
No, everyone gets this cake with fashion.
With frosting too?
And
Who do we sing happy birthday to?
to me, and
Can I hear you sing it?
and
Oops.
and that's fashion.
Oh, that one's for Thinny. How do we sing happy birthday? Happy birthday. Keep going. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! How old are you?
3.
That's right. You're awful cute. You all done, Sassy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what?
For you, we have 2 red cakes.
Thank you.
2 balloons.
Wow.
2 these candles.
You use a lot of good words.